How to change control sensitivity in Marvel Rivals. So first, you simply need to click on settings icon right here, then go to settings. Once you're there, go to controller and you can change the cursor sensitivity right here. It's basically the sensitivity on how your cursor moves on the menu and stuff. Next is combat. You can change the horizontal sensitivity and vertical sensitivity. And when you click on advanced, there's a ton of stuff right here, but the most important one is the input dead zone, the maximum and minimum. So basically, controller's dead zone is a small area around the center of the controller stick or joystick where no movement is detected. So the lower the input dead zone, or the lower the dead zone, it means more movement will be detected even with the slightest movement on your joystick. But if you have a higher dead zone or higher input dead zone, there's like a certain length of movement on the joystick until the computer or your console will read the input from your joystick. So basically, a higher input dead zone will give more accuracy since there will be no accidental movements, and a lower input dead zone will make it more less responsive. So like there's some latency if you have a low input dead zone, or I mean a high input dead zone, but it will prevent accidental movements. But if you're on a low input dead zone, it will give more accuracy and high precision, but you're there's a chance that you will have an accidental movement. And you could just simply go to the range and mess around with the settings right here on the input, on the minimum and maximum input dead zone, and check what's best for you. And that's basically it.